Hey everyone, today I will show you how to cook a steak that is juicy, golden, and straight out of a steakhouse. All you need is great beef, olive oil, butter, garlic, rosemary, salt, and black pepper. Let the steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes. It helps it cook evenly. Season generously, don't be shy. The salt brings flavor and helps form that sear. Now, heat up your cast iron pan until it's smoking hot. A little olive oil goes in. The shimmer means it's ready. Lay the steak down away from you. Oh, that sizzle, that's pure music. We're building flavor here, don't move it. Let the crust develop. After 2 or 3 minutes, flip it. Look at that color, that's perfection. Sear the edges too, don't waste that fat, it's flavor gold. Now add butter, garlic, and rosemary. The aroma alone tells you this is special. Tilt the pan and baste. Keep spooning that hot, nutty butter over the top. This is how you build that signature steakhouse flavor. We're aiming for 125 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect medium rare. Now rest it for at least 10 minutes. The juices will redistribute beautifully. While it rests, take a second to appreciate that butter. It's liquid gold. Slice it thick. Look at that color, pink, juicy, and full of life. That's what happens when you rest your steak. The flavor stays inside. Finish with a drizzle of that garlic butter. That's your secret weapon. Plate it simply. Good steak doesn't need much dressing up. Crispy outside, buttery inside. That's how you cook a perfect steak. If you like this recipe, hit like and subscribe. Now, go make your own steakhouse magic tonight.